Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Popping on very quickly, just came from church, and I wanted to share with you some of the events of the week. Got a new purse, came up with a little after school snack for the girls that I want to share with you. So if you're interested, let's get started. Leaving, Zumba class, and it is freezing. It says it's 29 degrees out here. Oh, God. And the class was packed. The park way in the back. So 29 degrees out here today. Let me get home and get something to eat. I almost didn't go because I got up late. Not late, but I was binge watching Black Cake on Hulu. Has anybody seen that? I was binge watching Black Cake on Hulu last night. I don't know how many episodes are left, but I was binge watching that till God knows what time last night, and you see me better. Was binge watching Black Cake and then got up. The class starts at 10 o'clock, but I didn't get up until like 9:20. Then I wanted to hurry up and make a protein drink before I came, because I like to have something, on my stomach. And start the car. I almost didn't come because it was crowded here today. It's really crowded. Like everybody's trying to get there after Thanksgiving. Fat off of them, I guess. Burn some calories. Anyway, all right, guys. I will chat with you later. His sister works in management here at the office for the mall, and she was asked that she was doing something. That something was going down here, so she asked us to come down and check it out.
Nice. All right.
Yeah. What I don't show is I bought a purse, and I also bought from another vendor there. They had some makeup, and so I had to support them. Lipstick, this pretty red lipstick, and I have to show you guys. I'll probably show it in another video. I didn't get a chance to find it during this footage, but I'll show you another video. But I did buy a lipstick. I bought a bunch of. I bought some jewelry too. I totally forgot about that. Jewelry that I bought.
Can I just ask you to give me a little scribble real quick? Is that okay?
Yeah. Do you a little scribble?
Just a little scribble on there for me.
Want to find a little quick way to get rid of some dinner rolls? Well, we had some dinner rolls left over after Thanksgiving, so came up with this little quick idea just to get rid of some dinner rolls and give the girls a treat.
So here's the purse that I was talking about that I wanted to share with you. Didn't get a chance to share it with you before, but here it is. This is the name of the designer, and this is the purse that I got. I'm going to step back. First, let me come forward and show you what it looks like. Light keeps going out. The inside. And this zips. Quite nice. I like that it has the little things under the bottom. That's good. And it does have a longer strap that's in here. So here's the extra strap. So comment below and tell me what you like about this purse. Is this something you would buy? And the price was, I almost forget that. The price was $59.99. $59.99. Thanks, guys. So thank you for coming out to Life on Greenwood. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Most of the time I'm talking about thrifting. I don't think I got any thrifting in this week. But next week, I'll get you a thrift haul next week. Anyway, just stay tuned for some other little quick tips on after school snacks that I'm making for my great nieces. It's been so much fun having these girls over and hanging out with me. But don't forget to check out my blog. For my returning friends, thank you so much. And I appreciate you. Thank you. And I'll see you guys in the next one.